Ooh la 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 ooh la la ooh la la.
Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on how to get a natural high puff look. And I hate to say it, but it's going to cost you about $10 to $15. But I promise it'll be worth it. To start off the video, you want to start off by getting a pack of crochet hair. You can use any curl you want. This curl is the wand curl, and I actually ended up using two types of curls. This wand curl I ended up combing out a little bit more, and the other curl I actually kept a little bit more defined. To get your high puff, you want to get a sock bun, one of those sock mesh buns, and start crocheting the curly hair through the bun. And you want to just keep going until you cover the whole bun. You don't have to cover the bottom, but you would definitely want to cover the top and all around the sides. This process takes no time at all, but you definitely want to take your time while doing it. You don't want to have any gaps or missing spots that doesn't have any hair. It's going to look crazy. So just take your time, and remember, it really doesn't take any time at all, like 10 minutes. This style is definitely one of those styles that if you need something quick to do, you slap this on top of your head. You make sure you sleek your hair up into a bun. You slap this on top of your head and you're good to go. Okay, just added my last curly strand. Look how full it looks. Now it's time to sleek my bun down. Okay, so you already know what time it is. Time to sleek them edges down. Sleek them edges down. I don't know who I thought I was right here trying to sleek my edges down with one hand. Yeah, put that mirror down and use them two hands. Make sure you add your little curly pieces on the side. Y'all, we creating an illusion right now. You gotta make sure everything flow, okay? Okay, boom. So we slap that thing on, right? And then you're going to take a couple bobby pins to secure that thing, because you don't need nobody trying to snatch it off your head, okay? You secure it, and then you take them scissors and you chop it down. I got very scissor happy, so make sure you're watching what you're cutting, okay? As you're cutting, make sure you fluff it out. You fluff and cut, just to create the illusion. Okay, look at this. Look at how pretty. Seriously? You cannot sit here and tell me that this do not look like my hair. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. And that completes another video. I'm actually really enjoying making these videos for you guys, so let me know in the comments below what videos you'd like to see me do next. Until next time, bye.
Ooh la